Mission District, City of San Gabriel, 1771. That year, September 8th, the Mission San Gabriel was founded as fourth of 21 that Franciscans built in Southern California. Really nice tiles on the street. Magellan, one of the sailors. Drake. Well, is that a rapper or another sailor? Look at this area. So calm and pretty. This is fourth in the order built. Mission was designed by Antonio Cruzado, who was from Cordoba, Spain. And in his design you can see the influence of Moors. And this mission is specific for their tall windows, narrow tall windows and walls. That's that Moorish influence. Entrance is through the gift shop, and first you enter the cemetery. People are buried here since 1800s. In the center of the cemetery there's a cross that stands there since 1778. So they always had grapes here and produced the wine. And it says here, a red wine made from the Mission of Zinfandel variety of grape. And white wine was made from Muscat of Alexandria variety. Here are original barrels, presses. And it smells like wine. Smells. Museum has a lot of pictures, articles, and some original items. Tools. California was under three flags: Spain, Mexico, and United States. Original Chinese silk dress. Garden is very nice and reminds me on fairy tales. Like there was some like about some magical garden. There's a girl or something. Then Beauty and the Beast. It looks like that. I forgot, but. So many nice little areas. And this is how Tongva natives lived. This is really nice sample of desert life. Beautiful garden.
Oh, what was like from the first one to the last one? Yep. I don't know. Maybe go back to where they had that.
Should I? No. Who knows? Old kitchen. Let's see. It is warm outside, but when you enter this probably big walls, it's cool. And the church is still active. They are all built a similar way.